This 1954 Royal Quiet DeLuxe is in near mint condition. It has been refurbished and it is ready to type. This 1954 Royal Quiet DeLuxe has a beautiful brown finish, still has a really nice texture to it. Has just a few scuffs here and there. A scratch there. This side has a few little scratches. The back has the most scuffs, of course. And this decal is pretty faded there. But it looks really nice overall. Beautiful green keys. Everything works as it should. The touch control knob has been replaced, but it still works okay. This typewriter also comes with its original case, which has been cleaned, and it is solid and it does latch well. It does show some wear just from age and has some marks on it. It's good and solid. I do not have a key for it. The inside looks pretty good. There are some scrapes up inside there. It's for the 1954 Royal Quiet DeLuxe.